How often should you replace your HVAC unit? Like most homeowners, you likely rely on your HVAC system to get through the hot summer and cold winter seasons. While it would be nice if your system lasted forever, they simply don't. Each HVAC system will need to be replaced at some point. When it comes to HVAC systems and heat pumps, they typically have an average lifespan of between 10 and 15 years. The average furnace and boiler will have a lifespan of between 15 and 20 years. Remember, these numbers are just estimates. The actual lifespan of your HVAC units will vary depending on several factors. These include its energy efficiency rating, regular maintenance, humidity level, runtime, and so forth. If your Mount Vernon, Ohio home needs an HVAC replacement, then it's time to get in contact with Cosby Heating and Cooling at cosbyhc.com or 740-431-4230.